All right. Let's get real for a moment. Let's talk about something real important, becoming a millionaire. Yeah, you heard me right. It's not just a fantasy or a far-off dream. It's not just a dream, folks. It's a tangible goal that you can start working towards today. It's a goal you can achieve, step by step, starting right now. It begins with setting clear, actionable goals. We're going on a journey together. A journey that requires dedication, persistence, and a whole lot of learning. This ain't about get-rich-quick schemes. Nope, it's about real, sustainable success. This is about building a solid foundation, brick by brick. Each decision you make is a building block towards your future. We're talking about hard work, smart choices, and the power of time. It's about investing in yourself and your future. Being a millionaire isn't just about the money, though. It's about freedom. It's about having choices. It's about living life on your own terms. It's about controlling your own destiny. And the best part? You have the power to start right now. It's a whole lot easier when you start young. The earlier you begin, the more time you have to grow your wealth. So, are you ready to take control of your future? Are you ready to make the choices that will lead you to success? Are you ready to become the CEO of your own life, to lead yourself and others towards a brighter future? Then buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. This journey will be filled with ups and downs, but it's all part of the process. The journey to becoming a millionaire starts now. Let's make it happen, one step at a time. You're officially a teenager. Time to ditch the juice boxes and start thinking about your financial future. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, it's pretty darn exciting. First things first, let's talk about custodial accounts. Think of it like a savings account, but cooler. It's an account that your parents or guardians set up for you, but you get to control it when you come of age. The stock market is your oyster. Well, not literally, but you get the idea. Invest in something called an S&P 500 index fund. It's like a basket of stocks from big-time companies, and it's known for steady growth over time. Remember, investing involves risk, but starting early gives your money more time to grow. Plus, it teaches you valuable lessons about patience and the magic of compound interest. More on that later. Discover your passions and, you guessed it, make some money. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and find a side hustle. Think about what you enjoy doing. Maybe you're a tech whiz, a creative soul, or a natural-born organizer. Now find a way to turn that passion into profit. Mow lawns, walk dogs, tutor younger kids, design websites, sell handmade crafts online. The possibilities are endless. Not only will you earn some cash, but you'll also gain valuable skills, learn about responsibility, and build a strong work ethic. Remember, every dollar you earn is a step closer to financial freedom. So get out there, hustle hard, and watch your bank account grow. You're well on your way to becoming a financial whiz. It's an exciting time where you start to understand the value of money and how it can shape your future. Now let's talk about the importance of saving. Saving isn't just about putting money aside, it's about creating a safety net for yourself. It's about having the freedom to make choices without being held back by financial constraints. Remember all that hard-earned cash from your side hustle? Whether it's babysitting, mowing lawns, or any other gig, every dollar counts. It's time to make it work for you. By saving and investing wisely, you can watch your money grow over time. Think of it as planting a tree. The earlier you start, the bigger it will grow. Ask for cash instead of gifts for your birthday or holidays. It might seem less exciting than getting the latest gadget, but cash gives you the flexibility to save or invest in something meaningful. It might seem boring at first, but trust me, your future self will thank you. Imagine being able to afford your dream college, travel, or even start your own business because you made smart financial choices early on. Plus, it's way more satisfying watching your savings grow than having a closet full of stuff you never use. Each dollar saved is a step closer to financial independence and achieving your goals. Get yourself a Saturday job. It doesn't have to be glamorous. The key is to start earning and learning. Any job will do, really. The experience you gain is invaluable, and the money you earn can be saved or invested. It's not just about the money, although that's a nice bonus. It's about gaining experience, learning how to work with others, and building essential life skills. It's about gaining experience, learning how to work with others, and building essential life skills. These skills will serve you well in any career path you choose. And here's a pro tip: stash your cash. Find a safe place to keep your savings, whether it's a bank account or a secure spot at home. Don't just save it, but think of it as launchpad money, money that will help you take your future endeavors to the next level. Whether it's for education, travel, or starting a business, your savings can be the foundation for your dreams. Skill up for success. You're not just a teenager anymore, you're becoming a young adult. It's time to level up your game and invest in yourself by developing valuable skills. Think about your talents and interests. Are you a natural-born leader, a tech whiz, a creative genius? Identify your strengths and find ways to hone those skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, find a mentor, or teach yourself through books and tutorials. The internet is your oyster, again, not literally. There are countless resources available to help you learn and grow. Remember, the more skills you acquire, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. So, embrace your inner lifelong learner and watch the opportunities come rolling in. Driving into the world of entrepreneurship. At 17, you're on the cusp of adulthood, and with a driver's license in hand, the world is your oyster. Okay, this time we mean it figuratively. It's time to take your side hustle to the next level. Now that you have the freedom to move around, you can expand your customer base, take on more clients, and explore new business opportunities. Think outside the box and don't be afraid to dream big. Remember all those skills you've been developing? Now's the time to put them to good use. Build a website, create a social media presence, network with potential customers, and watch your business thrive. And here's a golden rule: be reliable, be professional, and always deliver on your promises. Word of mouth is powerful, and a stellar reputation will take you far in the world of entrepreneurship. Adulting like a boss. Banks, credit, and education. 18. You're officially an adult. This is a huge milestone, and with it comes a lot of new responsibilities and opportunities. It's time to start thinking about your financial future and how to manage it effectively. Time to ditch the piggy bank and step into the world of grown-up finances. This means understanding how to manage a bank account, save money, and make smart financial decisions. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. With the right guidance and a bit of practice, you'll soon get the hang of it. Start by educating yourself on basic financial principles. With a little knowledge and responsibility, you'll be managing your money like a pro in no time. Keep track of your expenses, set a budget, and stick to it. This will help you avoid unnecessary debt and build a solid financial foundation. First things first, open a bank account with low fees. Look for accounts that offer benefits like no monthly maintenance fees, free ATM access, and online banking. Shop around and compare different options to find one that suits your needs. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek advice from trusted sources. Next, get yourself a credit card. This might seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. A credit card, when used responsibly, can be a powerful tool for building your credit history. This might seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. A credit card used responsibly is crucial for building a good credit score, which you'll need for future loans, apartments, and even some jobs. Make sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. A credit card, used responsibly, is crucial for building a good credit score, which you'll need for future loans, apartments, and even some jobs. Make sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. This will help you build a positive credit history and avoid debt. Now let's talk about education. Continuing your education is a great way to invest in your future, but it's important to consider all your options. College isn't the only path to success. There are many other avenues to explore, such as trade schools, apprenticeships, and even starting your own business. Each path has its own set of benefits and challenges. Consider trade schools, apprenticeships, or starting your own business. These options can provide valuable skills and experience that are highly sought after in the job market. The key is to find a path that aligns with your passions and goals. Take the time to explore different career options and seek advice from mentors and professionals in your field of interest. And remember, avoid debt like the plague. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control and become a major financial burden. Live within your means, save diligently, and invest wisely. Create a budget that allows you to save a portion of your income each month and stick to it. Look for investment opportunities that can help your money grow over time. Your future self will thank you. By making smart financial decisions now, you'll set yourself up for a secure and prosperous future. Remember, adulting is a journey, and with the right tools and mindset, you can navigate it successfully. The long game, the power of compound interest. We've covered a lot of ground, from custodial accounts to side hustles to credit cards. Now let's talk about the secret sauce of becoming a millionaire. Compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, it grows bigger and bigger, gaining momentum as it goes. That's compound interest in a nutshell. When you invest your money early, it has more time to grow exponentially. Even small contributions made consistently over time can add up to significant wealth in the long run. Think of it like this. The earlier you plant that financial seed, the more time it has to grow into a mighty oak tree. So, be patient, stay the course, and let the magic of compound interest work its wonders. So what's the conclusion? Congratulations, you've reached the end of this whirlwind tour of teen millionaire secrets. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The road ahead may have its twists and turns, but with hard work, smart choices, and a healthy dose of determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, go out there, embrace the unknown, and never stop learning and growing. The world is your oyster. Okay, we'll stop with the oyster now. Now go make those millions.